Generating your own electric power. How achievable is that nowadays? Let's see what's available. Right, sure, but way too big. Still too big. Okay, small enough, but not very effective, right? Not anymore. Allow me to introduce the flow turbine. Small enough for about any roof, but extremely efficient. Here we have average wind speed, say this much. If you would have 3 turbines on your roof, you are now producing 5,000 kilowatt hours a year. So, what are the numbers? When looking at a household with above average power consumption, our small unit will have paid for itself after 10 years. A mid-sized company with the power needs of about 2.5 households would have all that electricity for free after just 4 years. Would you like to know in advance how much you could make? Sure, we'll find that out for you over the phone or email. Think you need more than 1,000 kilowatt hours a month? No problem, you can always add. Our turbines are ideal for being combined with solar, in basically any size. Pick something. Wind only, solar only, both combined, including own storage, cloud connected, or maybe a lantern that could charge your electric car, right in the middle of nowhere. Whatever works best for you. Let's find out. Call us and become an independent power producer. LWS Systems, Hamburg.